Welcome to Healthcare. Today, we're going to talk about a simple yet powerful habit that can transform your life. Eating 2 boiled eggs daily. Yes, you read that right. Boiled eggs are an inexpensive and easily accessible superfood that can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. In this video, we'll explore the amazing benefits of incorporating 2 boiled eggs into your daily diet and how it can change your life for the better. So, let's dive in.
The amazing benefits of eating 2 boiled eggs daily.
Eggs are an excellent source of protein, vitamins, and minerals that are essential for our bodies. Boiled eggs, in particular, are a convenient and healthy snack that can be easily incorporated into your daily routine. Here are some of the incredible benefits of eating 2 boiled eggs daily.
Number 1. Boosts brain power and memory.
Eggs are a rich source of choline, a nutrient that plays a crucial role in brain function and development. Choline helps to increase the production of neurotransmitters, such as dopamine and acetylcholine, which are responsible for regulating memory, attention, and mood. Eating 2 boiled eggs daily can improve cognitive function, memory, and concentration.
Number 2. Supports eye health.
The high levels of lutein and zeaxanthin in eggs make them an excellent food for eye health. These antioxidants reduce the risk of age-related macular degeneration, cataracts, and other eye disorders. Eating 2 boiled eggs daily can protect your eyes and reduce the risk of vision problems.
Number 3. Promotes weight loss.
Eggs are low in calories and high in protein, making them an ideal food for weight loss. The protein in eggs helps to build and repair muscles, which increases metabolism and burns fat. Eating 2 boiled eggs daily can help you lose weight and maintain weight loss over time.
Number 4. Supports heart health.
The cholesterol in eggs is often misunderstood. In reality, the cholesterol in eggs can help to increase HDL good cholesterol and reduce the risk of heart disease. The potassium in eggs also helps to lower blood pressure and reduce the risk of heart disease.
Number 5. Improves bone health.
Eggs are a rich source of vitamin D, calcium, and other minerals that are essential for bone health. Eating 2 boiled eggs daily can improve bone density, reduce the risk of osteoporosis, and prevent fractures.
Number 6. Supports hair and skin health.
The high levels of protein, vitamins, and minerals in eggs make them an excellent food for hair and skin health. Eating 2 boiled eggs daily can improve hair growth, strengthen hair follicles, and promote healthy skin.
And there you have it. Eating 2 boiled eggs daily can have a significant impact on your overall health and well-being. From boosting brain power and memory to promoting weight loss and supporting heart health, the benefits of eggs are undeniable. So make sure to incorporate 2 boiled eggs into your daily diet and experience the incredible benefits for yourself. Thanks for watching Healthcare, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health-related content.